You know you've hit pop culture gold when you become a meme sensation, and Jake from State Farm absolutely gets it. Let's rewind to 2011. State Farm introduces the world to Jake. Your average, khaki-wearing, red shirt-clad, late-night caller. His casual demeanor instantly made him memorable. And that's when the internet latched on. What started as a simple insurance commercial quickly exploded into a meme-fueled phenomenon at the core of the meme. Jake's instantly recognizable look and the slightly awkward scenario. The memes cleverly played off his signature attire, that ubiquitous red polo and those equally famous khakis. They've poked fun at it constantly. The humor builds a common ground and allows people to connect. But it's more than just clothes. The memes amplify Jake's persona, twisting his dialogue and reactions into hilarious scenarios. The memes create an inside joke, strengthening a sense of community. This isn't just about State Farm, it's about sharing a pop culture experience. The memes become a shared language, a way of saying, hey, remember that? They are a way of building a community. So next time you see a Jake from State Farm meme, remember the marketing brilliance behind it. From a simple commercial, a cultural icon was born. Thanks for watching.